Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss about computer networking, what is networking, and how does it work, etc. etc. So let's start today's session without any delay. What is computer network? A computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices for transmitting and sharing information. These computing devices are mobile phones, computers, router, switch, server etc. The devices are connected through the wires or they can be wireless too. Now let's know about ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. This is the first working network, which was first to implement TCP or IP protocols. It was introduced in the year 1969 by ARPA. Next is, what is networking? Computer networking is the branch of computer science that deals with the ideation, architecture, creation, maintenance and security of computer networks. It is a combination of computer science, computer engineering and telecommunication. So how does a computer network work? Basically, computer network works with two major key components, that are nodes and links. We will discuss all the key components briefly in another video. For now, let's just know what are the nodes and links and how these are helpful in networking. Simply, nodes are those devices that are connected to network and can send, receive, and process the data. The nodes can be routers, computers, server, printers, etc. And the links are the wires or cables or free space of wireless networks. Now, the importance of computer networking, like, why networking is that important? Computer networks require less amount of storage servers, because they use a central storage server to store the data. Then, the hardware expenditure is comparatively low, and it is cost effective. Then, the most important thing is, because of networking, data can be shared easily.